In this video you will learn how you can find all the groups you have joined on your Facebook. So if you don't know how you can find all your groups who have joined on your Facebook, this video right here will help you to do that. Make sure to watch to the end so that you will not make any mistakes. Now the first step we need to do is go ahead and open your Facebook application on your phone. On your right two corner, click on the three lines there. Now scroll down and select groups from the list. Now after here you will see a bunch of groups. So this is the groups you have joined on your Facebook application. Now you can tap on every group to view their latest post. Yes, you got it. So this how you can find all your groups you have joined on your Facebook application. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any video posted. Thank you for watching.